Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You already have the log table and a calculator for checks. Now start. Convert both dividend and divisor into numbers between 1, 0, 0, and 9, 99 by shifting the decimal and tracking powers of 10. Once done, find each value's mantissa on the log table. That's the decimal part of the log. Make sure you record the characteristics separately. You will reassemble it later. This sets up a straightforward subtraction of mantissas for division. You have the two mantissas in front of you. Subtract the divisor's mantissa from the dividend's mantissa. If the table required interpolation, use linear interpolation to refine to the 100th place before subtracting. Once you subtract, handle a negative mantissa by adding 1 and reducing the characteristic by 1. This keeps the result within 1. 0, 0, 9, 99. Make sure to track the powers of 10 from step 1, so you can combine them with the new characteristic. Take the resulting mantissa and find its analog on the table to obtain the coefficient between 1, 0, 0, and 9, 99. Then combine that coefficient with the adjusted power of 10 from your earlier decimal shifts to produce the final quotient. If digits don't match expectations, pause, recheck your mantissa lookup and interpolation, and confirm you moved the decimal the same number of places for both numbers. That troubleshooting step fixes most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.